Aloe Vera Gel is a lively product in various skincare treatments. It is highly effective to heal blisters, sunburn, and various skin-related issues. It is one complete ingredient to provide a soothing effect on the skin. It is helpful in restoring skin's natural beauty and allows it to breathe and glow. Due to the anti-inflammatory property of this wonderful plant, it is highly used for treating acne and pimples. Gram flower is a type of flower that exfoliates the skin and also tightens your pores. It helps in removing tan, zits and dead skin. It increases the tone and brightens the skin complexion. Not only it brightens up the complexion of your skin, also treats your skin from a variety of skin problems. It can treat the dullness of the skin. It is a great remedy for acne, pimples and dark skin. Use this face pack regularly to maintain the health of your skin in the long run. This pack is suitable for dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, and oily skin.